This is a very interesting problem on bearing. So we have this diagram here. Then we have P, Q, and R are 3 points on the level ground. So the information that we know is that the bearing of P, we have seen here P from Q is 228, right? P from Q is 228. Then we are also given the angle QPR here, right here, which is 72 degrees. And we know that R is due south of Q. R is due south of Q, so that is, no, this is just like a perpendicular line here. This is a perpendicular line, QR. So the first question is, we want to find the bearing of Q from P. Q from P and then P from Q. All right, so where are we? We're at Q from P. We are at Q from P. So when it says from P, meaning that our measuring of the angle is from P going to Q. So we already have a north here at P. Then we want to see this angle in the clockwise direction. So we do like that. All right, so we have P here to the line PQ right here. So this is the angle that we are looking for. All right. Now you can see that this 72 will not give us any information because this is not a 90 degrees, so we cannot subtract 72 from 90. So let us go ahead and, form this Z shape here. So on P here, we can do like that and like that in black. So you can see that this angle here is the same as this angle right here inside. Okay, inside here, the NPQ is the same as PQR. Okay, since the bearing of P from Q is 228, then the inside angle here is just 228 minus 180 degrees. Okay, and this is just 48. So Q from P is 48 degrees. All right, in the same way, let us see, what about P from R? So P from R, so we put our north pole at R here, and then we want this angle all the way to PR. Let me extend this line here from P here. So up to this here, you know that this is 180 degrees. What we're looking for is this side first, okay? So again, I can just form a Z shape. So I use a different color. So like that, and all the way to the bottom. So it tells me that this angle and this angle are the same. So this is just 48 from A plus 72, which gives us 120. So therefore, the whole of this angle here is just 180 plus 120, which is 300 degrees. So P from R is 300 degrees.